Beneath 2 miles of Antarctic ice where no sunlight has reached in 14 million years, something is alive, and no one fully understands how. Lake Vostok, buried under 3,700 meters of ice in Antarctica, is one of the largest lakes on Earth. When scientists finally drilled into it in 2012, they found microbial DNA that matched no known species in any database. Life in complete darkness, under crushing pressure, in water that hasn't touched the atmosphere since the Pliocene epoch. But here's what's stranger. The bleeding glacier in Antarctica, Taylor Glacier, weeps a slow, rust-red liquid from a crack in its face. For over a century, scientists assumed it was algae. It wasn't. Beneath the ice lies an ancient sealed brine lake, rich in iron, completely cut off from oxygen for approximately 1.5 million years. The red water bleeds upward through a crack, staining the ice like an open wound on the continent's surface. And yet the Arctic holds its own riddles. In 1930, the entire population of a Canadian Inuit community called Anjikuni vanished. All 1,200 people were gone. Food was left cooking over fires. Sled dogs were found dead, tied to trees. Graves had been opened from the inside. The Royal Canadian Mounted Police investigated and confirmed the disappearance, but no explanation was ever officially established. Then there is the Bloop. In 1997, NOAA hydrophones detected an ultra-low frequency sound in the Pacific, rising from somewhere near the Antarctic coast. It was loud enough to be picked up by sensors nearly 5,000 kilometers apart, far louder than any recorded biological source. Scientists later suggested icequake activity, but the original signal's profile was strikingly organic. The question lingered for years. Even more surprising is what Antarctica hides beneath its surface. Radar imaging has revealed a network of rivers and lakes, including a mountain range called the Gamburtsev Mountains, roughly the size of the European Alps, buried completely under ice. We have never stood on them. We may never reach them. And finally, the magnetic North Pole is moving, not slowly. It has shifted over 1,400 kilometers in the past century and is currently accelerating toward Siberia at roughly 55 kilometers per year. The reason for the acceleration remains genuinely unresolved. These frozen edges of our world were placed here as if to remind us that no matter how far our knowledge reaches, creation will always hold one more secret just beyond the horizon.